Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm Mei from the MeiReview team. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you. Discover everything you need to know about this product, what it actually is, its awesome features, a detailed guide on how to use it, how to turn it into an income stream, and of course, my personal experience with it. I also include the product pricing and discount coupons with all the additional upgrade offers, so you don't need to go anywhere else to get the information. Wait, we're not done yet. As a big thank you to all my valued viewers, and especially to those who choose to grab this product through my website or this video, I've lined up a treasure trove of mind-blowing bonuses. Trust me, they're totally worth it. They will help with your online marketing career. You'll find all the details at the end of the product review article on my website. Just follow that link in the description and prepare to be amazed. And hey, if you want those exclusive bonuses to be yours, send me a message to bonusesfromme@gmail.com. I promise to deliver them within a lightning-fast 24 hours. Alright, let's get started exploring the product.
Hello.
Thank you for calling Gloria's Delicious Vegan Delights. Are you calling to place a delivery order?
Yes, I am.
What would you like to order today?
Could I get let me go ahead and get the eggplant parmesan.
You'd like the eggplant parmesan. Would you like to add a side of fresh pesto to your order?
Yes, I would.
Would you like to add our roasted spiced chickpeas for just $2? They add a delightful crunch and extra protein.
No, I don't think so. Could I also get a kale Caesar salad?
Add a kale Caesar salad to your order. Would you like to add grilled marinated tofu to your salad for an additional $3?
No.
No problem. So far, you have the eggplant parmesan with a side of fresh pesto pasta and a kale Caesar salad. Can I have your delivery address, please?
555 Main Street, Anytown.
Thank you. Is there anything specific our driver should know, like a gate code or apartment number?
No.
Thank you for confirming. Would you like to add a dessert or drink to your order?
No.
Our gourmet vegan dessert board?
No.
No problem. How would you like to pay for your order?
A credit card?
Could you provide the first 8 digits of your card number, please?
123-456-78.
1234567
Yes.
Could you provide the last 8 digits of your card number, please?
876-543-21.
7654-321.
Yes.
Thank you. Could you provide the expiration date of your card, please?
Expiration is 02/28.
Expiration is 02/28.
Yes.
Could you please provide the CVV code on the back of your card?
311.
Could you please provide the CVV code on the back of your card?
Yes, 311.
Thank you. Let me confirm your order. Eggplant parmesan with a side of fresh pesto pasta. Kale Caesar salad. Delivery to 555 Main Street, Anytown. Total cost $22. Does everything look correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Your order will be on its way shortly. Have a great day.
Thanks. Bye.